Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series of semester 6th, paper 15, Fishery, Fish Economics, Fish Marketing, Fish Cooperatives and Extension. In this paper we have studying the Unit 2, Fish Marketing in India, and in this Unit 2, Fish Marketing in India, last but one point we have studied, and that last but one point is the facilitating functions. In this facilitating functions, 7 to 8 factors, 7 to 8 points which we have studied, in which first standardization, second grading, in this grading packaging of the product, labeling of the product, branding of the product. Then third important point of this, first standardization, grading, then storage, warehousing, storage and warehousing. Then next point which we have studied, that next point is the financing, pricing, then risk bearing, and in last period we have seen that is the risk. In these risk bearing, how the risk these are to be minimized. Those risks these are to be occurred due to competition, those risks these are to be occurred due to the new arrivals in the market, or the risk these are to be occurred due to the natural calamities. Due to natural calamities or due to transportation, due to damage of your product, means these are the different probable causes, and due to these causes loss these are to be occur. Due to these causes loss which is to be found in your market, in your product, this loss these are to be minimized, this loss these are to be lowering, that is risk bearing factor. And the four important possibilities to minimize the risk, one is the avoiding the risk, second is the minimizing the risk, third factor, first that is the avoiding, second minimizing, then shifting the risk toward the insurance, and fourth is the accepting the risk. Those are to be not completely removed, not completely found, or it is to be unacceptable risk condition these are to be occurred. In these factors we have seen that is the risk behavior. Now in today's part we have seen that is the market information. Anyone fisherman, anyone merchant, anyone fish farmer, wholesalers or retails, which have performed this job, which have performed these duties, it have knowledge about the market. Market information is to be essential. Market information is to be give idea to the wholesalers as well as retailers as well as producers. That's why the important aspects, that is the market information, and this market information these are to be most important. The sixth factor in the facilitating functions is the market information. For good marketing decisions, market information is required. Market information includes all facts. Market information includes all facts, estimates, opinions and other information used in marketing decisions that affect the marketing of goods and services. Market information includes all facts. Which are these all facts? That is, market information includes all facts. These all fact estimates, then conditions these are to be estimated, then opinions these are to be occur, other information which is to be used in market decisions that affect the marketing of goods and services. Means market information these are to be essential, market information these are to be most required for the wholesaler, for the consumers as well as for the producer. Marketing needs essential information regarding product. Marketing needs essential information regarding the product. Information these are to be regarding the price, what is the price, how the price these are to be rising, how the price is these are to be lowering, where price these are to be minimum, when price these are to be maximum, how the price these are to be fluctuations, regarding the product, which product is to be superior quality, which product is to be inferior quality, whether the product is to be good quality product, whether the price is to be same, or the market condition of demand and supply. In market, when demand is to be more, when supply is to be more, means market condition, that is demand and supply of market, its knowledge is to be essential for the consumers, for the producers, as well as for the merchants or middlemen. Consumers need and desires. What is the consumer's need? What is the consumer demand? What is the consumer needs? And what is the desires of consumer? It is also essential. It is also knowing the market information. Then market competitions. How the market these are to be performed in competition. Which competition these are to be occur in market. Whether the competition these are to be intra-specific. Whether the competition is to be inter-specific, or the competition these are to be occur in market and market. Competition these are to be occur in, that is businessman or wholesaler. Which type of competition, that is positive type, healthy type of competition these are to be occur, or it is to be to take the revenge competition these are to be taken. All these conditions these are to be information these are to be. Whether middleman these are to be involved, how much middleman these are to be involved, whether these middlemen these are to be benefited maximum benefit, how the condition these are to be occur by these middlemen, its knowledge is to be known. Selling method, which type of method, in which method your product is to be sold, which method your product goods is to be sold, that is selling method, which selling method is to be adopted, which selling method is to be we have taken. Then transportation, warehouses, whether your product is to be transported, whether your product is to be transported from one part to another part, from one area to another area, or transportation is to be easily transported or not easily transported. Warehousing, warehouses these are to be easily available, your product is to be keep in these warehouses. All these conditions these are to be known, that is nearby your market warehouses these are to be occur, and it is to be easy to keep the product in warehouse, and it is to be again to remove, or it is to be again to easily take your product from warehouse. No there is hesitation, no there is a time consuming factor. Marketing information is useful to minimize the marketing risk. Marketing information is useful to minimize the marketing risk. When market information is to be available to you, then your market risk is to be minimized, your market risk is to be lower. It gives idea to the marketer about what to sell. It gives idea to the marketer about what to sell, where to sell, and how to sell. Means when market information these are to be done, when market information is to be available, then it gives idea to the marketers, it gives idea to the producer, it gives idea to the customers also. What is idea? That is what to sell, where to sell, and how to sell. These three factors these are to be important. What to sell, काय विकायचं आहे तुम्हाला, कसं विकायचं आहे, फेअर टू सेल, कुठे विकणार आहात, अँड हाऊ टू सेल. These three problems, these are the main important factor in marketing. What to sell, where to sell, and how to sell. When these are to be properly and proper way, proper managing condition in market, it is the best marketing idea, it is the best marketing idea. The scientific method of getting the correct information, the scientific method of getting the correct information of all aspects of marketing of the product is the market research. The scientific method of the getting the correct information of all aspects of marketing of the product is market research. Market research. Such informations are collected from consumers. Market information, it can be collected from consumers. Market information, it can be collected from general public. Market information, these are to be collected from the retailers. Market information, these are to be collected from the wholesalers. Market information also collected from the different agencies or different NGOs. Those are to be related to the marketing activity. Means market information, it can be collected by various sources. That source may be consumer, that source may be general public, that source may be retailers, that source may be wholesalers, that source may be different agencies. Through these different sources we can perform, we can take the information about the market, and according to this information we can change ourselves according to their information. Your product, your marketing strategies we have changed, and we have performed the marketing. That's why marketing information, these are to be essential, these are to be most important. Marketer can have information from internal marketing information. Marketer can have information from the internal marketing information. Marketing intelligence and market research. Marketing intelligence and marketing research. These factors, these knowledge have done for the marketers. Internal marketing information can be secured through accounting system data on sell inventories. Internal marketing information, those data which is to be secured, those goods, those commodities, these are to be sold to the market. Depending upon these commodities which is to be sold in the market, secure data, secure information, these are to be done. When we have performed, we have take the data analyst, we have take the data system from the inventors or inventories, how much product these are to be sold in market, how much data these are to be sell in market. All these inventories, these are to be give their opinion, their data. On this opinion, on this data, we can guess and we can perform the internal marketing information. The marketing intelligence keeps marketing well informed. Marketing intelligence keeps marketing well informed about current marketing environment, consumers' demand, competition, price, etc. Means the marketing intelligence keeps marketing well informed about current marketing environment. Which marketing environment, whether in future marketing environment these are to be occur, marketing is to be done, whether in future consumer these are to be increase their demand, whether competition these are to be occur, whether price these are to be fall or rise down. All these factors means marketing intelligence keep all these points, all these known knowledge, and due to this knowledge marketers can be take some advantages. This can be obtained from the census data. It can be obtained from the census data, newspaper, trade journals, magazines, trade shows and exhibition, books, company reports, government report. These are the different reports, these are the different sources. Depending on these sources, the data, obtained information, these are to be available. That is, this data can be obtained from census data, newspaper, trade journals, magazines, trade shows and exhibition, books, company reports and government report. Depending upon this government report, depending upon newspaper, trade journals, magazines, all information these are to be we have collect, and this information these are to be most important for the marketing conditions. This can be obtained from census data, newspaper, trade journals, magazines, trade shows and exhibition, books, company reports, government reports, etc. All these are to be sources, all these are to be useful to taking the information. Marketing research help in making marketing decisions. When we have performed the marketing research, depending upon this marketing research, these are to be help in making marketing decisions. Which decision these are to be performed, how our decision these are to be changed. All these factors these are to be taken, and this is the important aspect, that is market information. Then the last point of facilitating function is the market survey. Last point in this facilitating function is the market survey. Market survey is a complex operation and which requires some technical knowledge. Due to the market survey, market survey is the complex operation. It is more complicated, and when we have performed this market survey, more complication these are to be occur in market. It requires some technical knowledges to ensure these prospectus of sale in market. One should know, that is pulse of the market, how the market these are to be pulsing, how the pulse rate of market these are to be occur, whether market these are to be time to time decrease, time to time increase, how these are prospectus of this market these are to be occur. To ensure the prospectus of sale, in the market, one should know pulse of the market. Pulse of the market म्हणजे that is मार्केटचं हृदय, मार्केटचं काळीज ज्याला आपण म्हणतो. हाऊ मार्केट these are to be. The complex but popular techniques of knowing the market condition is market survey. The complex but popular techniques of knowing the market condition is market survey. Market survey can be defined as the process of collecting all informations. Market survey can be defined as the process of collecting all the informations of marketing and interceptions or interpretations of it. It is called as the market survey. What is the market survey? Market survey can be defined as the process of collecting all the informations of marketing and interpretations of it. These interpretation of market and marketing survey, all these are called as the market survey or marketing condition. It includes collection, recording and analysis of utility and marketability of the product. What is in the market survey? Market survey includes collection, market survey includes recording, market survey includes analysis of utility and marketability of the product. Those goods that can be sold in the market. Means this market survey is a complex and more complicated thing, more complicated process in this marketing process. It is to know the nature of demand and competition in market. What is the nature of demand and what is the competition? Just I have told to you earlier, the competition is to be as positive competition or competition is to be as negative competition. Positive competition means healthy competition. There is no to take revenge. There is no take to revenge, but it is to be a good positive and good thought, good conditions for the marketing. And negative marketing strategies to take the revenge. Our price of the product is to be minimized, to loss to the other. This to take the revenge. Do not enter in market. Such strategies these are to be adopted by number of merchants, number of wholesalers. It is the negative marketing strategy. That's why whether the market is to be healthy or it is to be negative. It gives information. Market gives the information about effect of relevant factor involved in the movement of goods from point of production to the point of consumption. This market survey, it gives the information. Market survey, it gives the information about effect of relevant factors. Which are the relevant factor? These relevant factors, these are to be involved in the movement of goods, in the movement of product from the point of production up to the point of consumption. Means from start to the end, those information these are to be available from start to end. Information these are to be regarded, collected from product producing conditions up to the consumption condition. All these information it is to be called as the market survey. Means it gives information about effect of relevant factors. These relevant factors these are to be involved in the movement of product, movement of goods from the point of production to the point of consumption. And this point of production to point of consumption is called as the market survey. And market survey is important for knowing the and for researching the market and for marketing. Hope you have understood. Only market survey in short we have seen in detail how this market survey these are to be performed in next period. Hope you have understood. Any problem, any difficulties, please ask and be ready for examination to read carefully. Thank you all of you.